Hey folks, Singing Toad here. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel today, and I hope you're having an absolute brilliant day. So today I'm going to be starting with a few shoutouts, kicking it old school, and in no particular order. We're going to start with Pocket EDC. I did just recently do a channel sticker swap with Todd over there in the East Coast, but I want to give him another shout out because great guy, great channel. Folks, highly recommend check him out. Next channel is Ozark's Boy 417 Knives, and I will put these up on the screen because I'm sure I'm butchering some of these channel names. I do apologize, but again, check out Ozark's Boy 417 Knives, another great channel. Old Farts Knives, which I think is a hilarious channel name, by the way. But please go check out Old Farts Knives. Excellent content. Dime, great guy, great channel. He's I think he's still under 100 subs. Folks, it'd mean the world to me, and I'm sure it would brighten up his day if you went and subscribed to him. Let's get him to over 100 subs, get him to that first milestone. That'd be greatly appreciated. JC Mountain Jar, another channel that needs some love. Please go check him out. And JC Mountain Jar did reach out to me for some channel stickers. I will be sending you some of my stickers out. Probably by the time this video goes up, they'll be already on their way. And Sanctified EDC Gear, another fantastic channel. Folks, if you're not subscribed to the channels I just mentioned, I highly recommend you go check them out. They're all Singing Toad approved and great content. So with all that said, let's get into today's video. You're watching the Singing Toad YouTube channel. Alright, so what are we doing today? Today is going to be a mail call. So I did some channel sticker swaps. First channel, without any ado, is Hillbilly Ridge Outdoors. Right on. Check out these stickers. Nice and yellow. My wife said that she loves the color yellow, so she wants one of these stickers. But I told her it's going to go on the gun safe, and the other one's going to go in the collection. So, but anyway, very cool. Love the yellow mountains and this little picture here of some folks around looks like a kind of campfire there. But Hillbilly Ridge Outdoors. Please go check out this channel. Very good content. Next one, Make Cutlery Great Again. Super awesome. I love this channel sticker, and this reminds me of the Make America Great Again kind of thing, which I think is hilarious. And I don't know if you did this on purpose or not, but very cool. Very good pun on that, and I really do love that. And the red, white, and blue. And of course the black there as well, but definitely the red, white, and blue. Very patriotic, and I really love this sticker design. It's simple, but I love it, and I just love the pun on that. So awesome! Again, folks, if you're not already subscribed to Make Cutlery Great Again, please go check out his channel. Great content and worthwhile of looking at. Last but not least is Travis the Case Guy. So here we go with Travis the Case Guy, and we have a nice little, looks kind of like a Barlow kind of knife there, I guess, and established 2024, and of course got the YouTube logo there, and again, another fantastic channel, that's what I'm trying to say today, folks. I'm a little tongue-tied for some reason. Folks, I'm tired, I do apologize. I just worked a 12-hour night shift, so forgive me if I'm a little slow here, but I'm still getting used to my new schedule. But anyway, some great channels here. Hillbilly Ridge Outdoors, Make Cutlery Great Again, and Travis the Case Guy. Fantastic content, fantastic channels. Highly recommend you check them out. And again, thank you very much, all three of you, for doing channel sticker swaps with me. I really greatly appreciate it. I cherish and respect each and every one of you. Anyone who reaches out to me and says, hey, Singing Toad, let's do a channel sticker swap, I enjoy doing that. I'll send stickers all over the world. I've sent as far as New Zealand, Anywhere you are, if you want to do a channel sticker swap with me, I appreciate it very much. And I'll be glad to do a sticker swap with you. And I wish each and every one out there all the best. All right, so let's get into the next part of this video. All right, so for those of you who have made it this far in the video, I just want to say congratulations, you've made it to my mystery giveaway. Yes, you heard that correctly, folks. I'm giving away a knife. And it's going to be this one right here. It's a Victorinox of some sort. I'm not telling you what's inside this box, okay? What I can tell you is it is a knife out of my collection. It is gently used by me, so it's not super brand new, but it is in like new condition. It's been very, very gently used and treated very well. But this is a Victorinox. It is a Swiss Army knife. It is a non-locking slip joint type knife. And all I can tell you is that. That's as far as I'm going with that. So this is the mystery giveaway. You want to know how you enter the giveaway? Very simple. Leave a comment down below and guess what's in this box. Your guess doesn't have to be correct, okay? You guess whatever you think is in here. Doesn't matter. That's what enters you into the draw. Or whatever you want to call this. Giveaway, I guess. Now, I'm going to open this giveaway up to everyone. So I'll send this knife anywhere Canada Post will ship this knife worldwide. However, folks, the onus is going to be on you to make sure that you can legally receive this knife. Now, the official rules will be down in the description box below. There will be a skill testing question involved in the description box, so you'll have to leave in your comment and answer the skill testing question, plus answer, make your guess of what's in here. No proxy votes allowed. Yeah, so this will be open worldwide. You live in United Kingdom, you live in Australia, you live wherever, I don't care. I will send this knife to you as long as you can legally accept it where you are. If your country you live in will not allow a Swiss Army knife to come to you, please don't enter the contest, because I don't want to waste my own time and money. Thank you very kindly. Okay, I'd rather give it to someone who can actually receive it. Okay, it's that simple. All right, so honor code, folks. But yeah, there you go. Victorinox something or other. When I do the choosing of who wins the knife, that'll be in a later on video, about a week from now, I guess, give or take, depending on when I decide to do that. But basically, a week from now, I'll do the reveal, and I'll also reveal what's inside this box, so the winner will know what they're getting at that point in time. Okay, so thanks very much, folks. I really do appreciate all your support. Get in on this giveaway. Tell your friends, tell your grandma, tell your neighbor across the street. You got to be a subscriber, obviously. That should come without question. And I'd appreciate it if you're subbed to these channels here, as well as the other channels I mentioned at the start of this video. So leave your comment down below. What do you think's in this box? Your answer doesn't matter. In fact, the more funny your answer is, the better, to tell you the truth. Make me laugh, folks. So give me a super ridiculous guess on this. That would even entertain me, okay? But anyway, the winner will be chosen in a future video, and then I'll announce that, and I'll announce what's inside the box so they know what they're getting. And I'll ship it worldwide as long as you can legally receive it, all right? So I think I've covered all the bases. Again, check the description box below for the official giveaway rules. And there we go. All right, thank you very much for all your support, everyone. I appreciate each and every one of you. This is Singing Toad signing out.